St. Joseph Secondary School kawai ni Gishlem hikai kabadon hagashnong Maulin Maukhan Ribau District hene kesngi ke Sautrik Uyayong kelepenwai no ekalumpung yelek kai sports leni ke annual sports meet ke baju pelong chisin chisnem ha ke bagi kena school kile shimenta shitrem ha ke jinga kop prepare ki bakentup ye ke jinga kop march pass mass drill ke jinga kop mare ke jinga kop tantalai bat kiwe Ya ketika annual sports meet lepen yelek kai barok shitayo ha ke bamenta kesngi lawan ban Pynhap Pyrda no de u additional SP keriboy u elga kumukongsan ha ke jinga don lang kiwe ki pulit ki bakentup yu OC ke Umyam police station u ba kisi luat kumusembut kongsan bat ke kongji merthong Nalor ki he pulit lay don lang ru do ba timakri rang bashnong Maulin Maukhan u ba Gilbert nongrum principal ke school kinohikai ki kena school lembat ki kimi ki kepa Hakini kesngi na kaliang ke kongji merthong ke he pulit na Umyam police station kelepen syai halor kaan Pokso Act kaan kebaai jingeda kerpang na kebenta ki khulung kena ha keba kelepen seluruh pekinwan syakmat ban ujor syiki pulit ne syiki bala he lasan lada don kenu ke jing syak lek ben ne ban ben ye ki khulung kena Ukongsan ha ketika sengi ula ai ke jingero iki kena school ke bala shimenta shitrem ha kini ke annual sports meet ha ke bau layero kerpang ye ki kena school ke belek ka ye ke march pass ke bala penshok biet ye kum ukongsan kat bau dang pet bat sakhi kini ke lumpung ye lek kai sports ha ke bekut pat ketika lumpung na kaliang Khubor penyat school ke la samru iki khusnam she borok ki kena school ke bala khur ye ki nam job ha ke jinga kop prepare
Who was the okay? The clarity in his voice and the volume in which he spoke was really good. I was very impressed with it. Congratulations. The importance of things like the drill which you did right now, or the march past which you did. The importance is that it teaches us patience. Now, for example, you have been standing here for almost half hour, right? And all of you are still attentive. You are still listening to what we are saying. This encourages and teaches you on how to be disciplined. When someone gives a command and the entire platoon, everyone listens and follow that particular command, it teaches us leadership, right? How do you control the people who are under you? How do you control your team? And when everyone moves together, right? Everyone's hand is moving together, everyone's face is moving together, it teaches us team spirit and camaraderie. Like it's like playing football or it's like playing cricket. The entire team has to move together, right? March past and drill teaches you that particular thing. So again,
Unda unsya set along ni set patok dunaya kalais nam bat pin sya dan kunaru. Umbet ban kata klamakor ya kamet kaphat jungi kikna hapo ka khatras nam kata kunta unsya set along ha ya kabang duna ya ka sansnam bat ka dan kuna. Kikimi kikpa kim dei ban pin shulur ya kikna ban ya shongkha kikun ki bidang hapo ka khatras nam kata namar kani kadau kabun kini kikis jing armet kena. But lada ni yo jingtep nagi hospital ngim ban si ban hab shimkis bat usunrang un sa kem lada kila yamon langru ngim la lei ei namar ngi syate haka an sakawai ka jinglap jungi kalong ba bun kini kina kibayo brio hapo khat prasnam kata.
Let us all give them a big clap. Keep on clapping.
Okay, wait.
Turn that side.